Four-wheel steer offers greater maneuverability at low speeds and while parking, and greater stability at high speeds. Cadillac Arrival Mode helps you make a red carpet-worthy arrival. All four wheels have steering capability and work in conjunction with each other based on your drive mode to provide improved maneuverability. Four-wheel steer is automatically engaged in your vehicle and has 3 modes. First is automatic mode. At low speeds, your vehicle's rear wheels will turn in the opposite direction of the front wheels for maximum maneuverability. This provides for a tighter turning circle, making it easier to park in tight spaces, aiding tight U-turns, and helping the vehicle feel smaller when driving. While at higher speeds, the rear wheels will steer in the same direction as the front wheels for better stability. Next is Cadillac Arrival Mode. This setting allows the rear wheels to turn at the same angle as the front wheels at low speed so the vehicle can move diagonally. With this, you can show up in style, perfect for a red carpet arrival moment. Lastly, you can turn this feature off, which deactivates rear steering. Visit Cadillac.com/support for more information.